guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone's doing great, staying safe. First of all, before I hop into this video, I would like to give a big thank you to everyone that recently subscribed to my channel, watched my last video and enjoyed it, gave me feedback. I really appreciate it. I really don't know how much that means to me. Let's go ahead and get into our second cash stuffing of February. So I have my money here. I'm going to take it out and put it in my cash tray, which I actually made myself, and it was under $10. It was around $5. So we're going to go ahead and organize our money and put it in our brand new cash tray. Okay, I hope you guys can see this screen well. I'm trying out a different layout this time around, but we're gonna go ahead and start now with our paycheck breakdown. I had an allowance of $297, and then extra cash that I was able to stuff is $136, which gave us a total amount of $433 that we are stuffing today. We're gonna go ahead and get into our daily funds. So let's see here. Let's go into our wallet and see what we have left over from the last 2 weeks. So we have $2 left over from groceries in my personal envelope. In my personal envelope, we have $2. In Alexander's envelope, we have $4, which my grandma actually gave to him, so I'm probably just going to roll that over because it's supposed to be for like a Happy Meal. So I'm just going to save that for him. And then gas still has $10, and I'm going to put this in the extra cash area until I figure out what I want to do with it. And then give has $1, and we'll just put that right there. So let's go ahead and get started with stuffing our wallet. So I hope you guys can see. Yes. So let's see. Groceries is getting $0. So this time around, groceries will be getting $0. I haven't been having to put much money into groceries because I have help from family, so I don't have to put as much into buying groceries. So groceries will be getting nothing this time around. So we'll just put 0. My personal fund will be getting a $10 bill. Alexander's personal fund will be getting $20, which will be $120 with the $4 that my grandmother gave him. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So mine gets 10 and Alex has $24. Next is fast food. Fast food will be getting 20 and 2 10s. Next is gas. Gas will be getting $30. So a 20 and 1 10. And then give will be getting $3. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and that will be it for our wallet. We're going to go ahead and move on to our low priority sinking funds. So that will be this binder here. And we're going to start off with business. Business is getting 0 this time around, and it has nothing. Babe is getting a $5 bill, and I recently just spent some money getting him a gift to mail off. So a $5 bill, he now has $5, $10, $11, $12, $13. So $13. Next is the vacation. Vacation is getting a $10 bill. So now vacation has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, $40. Vacation now has $40. Next is date night. Date night is also getting $5. Date night now has 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, $38. Okay, next is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is getting 10, and it had nothing, so it just has $10. Next is memberships. Memberships is only getting $5. Memberships now has $5, $10, and $15. So it has 15. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move into our high priority sinking funds. So let's go ahead and jump into emergency. Emergency is getting a $20 bill. And emergency now has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 130, 140, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. So 180. So emergency now has $180. We're moving on up. Next is new place. New place is getting $40. So 2 20s. So new place now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 93. So it now has $300. Awesome, that is great. So $300 in new place. Next is car cash. Car cash is getting $30, so a 20 and a 10. Okay, car cash now has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 145, 150, 151, 52, 53, 54. So $154 is now in car cash. Okay, next is health. I recently just had a dentist appointment and I spent, I think, around $30. So we have to stock health back up. And health is getting a $10 bill. So 10, 20, 21, and 22. So health now has $22. I recently just added this new envelope for anniversary. So anniversary is getting $10. It's first $10. So anniversary just has 10. Okay, so $10. Wedding is getting a $10 bill as well. And wedding now has $10, $20, $30, $40, $50. And I feel like I'm going to have to do a bill exchange pretty soon here because I have a lot of small bills. Wedding now has $50. And holidays is getting nothing this time around. And debt is going to be getting 10. Debt now has 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, and $84, which is awesome. So I'll put that towards my debt probably in about a month or so. So on to our next section, which is challenges. We're going to set this binder to the side, but we're going to come back because our 1 month ahead challenge is in there. So for our challenges, we're going to start off with the $1 challenge. And $1 challenge is getting our leftover ones and $5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. And then it's going to be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more dollars that was left over in our wallet from the last 2 weeks. And now our ones will be getting stuffed back in the envelope, and we're going to sit it to the side over here. Next challenge is our $600 challenge, which is in my bank, and I will insert a picture like I did last time on the screen somewhere of how much that account now has. Our next challenge will be our 1K challenge for our household, which is on the back of the same card that has Alex's savings on it. So I'm going to go ahead and cross off a 50 for Alex. Okay, and flip it over, and our 1K household savings is going to be getting $80. Okay, so let's get that envelope. I believe it's this one. So $80 is going to be a 50, a 20, and a 10. 50, 60, 70, $80. And now, let's see. Okay, and this challenge is has a great amount of money so far, but we're gonna wait until the end to count it. So we'll stuff this back in there and put this over to the side. Next is our 100 envelope challenge. We're going to be stuffing the numbers 14 and 6 to equal out to 20. So let's go ahead and cross out 14 and 6. So for 14, we're going to be doing a 10 and 4 ones. So 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, that one's now filled, and then we're going to be doing 6. So that'll be a 5 and 1, 1. Okay, and we already crossed it off, so this challenge is done. Next is our self-care challenge, which is on this card. We're going to go ahead and cross off $20. And the 20s will go in this envelope for now. Okay, and we're going to put this to the side. And our 1 month ahead challenge will be giving 15, and I believe the last 10 I'm going to go ahead and put towards the 1 month ahead challenge as well. So we're going to be filling in 10 and 15 for a total of $25. So let me change that on my screen. Okay. So 1 month is getting $25. So 10, 20, 25. And now this challenge now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, $75, which is crazy because I feel like I only started it like last week, but I think it's been going on for like a month now, which I mean is great for just starting it out and having as many challenges as I do. So we're going to go ahead and put this envelope to the side and move into putting our coins into the coin jar. Alright guys, so I have my coin jar here. It is almost full. I'm going to open it so you guys can kind of see inside of it. But this is where we are with the coins. And once this is full, then I'm going to start fresh and take this to the bank to be counted after I roll them. And some of you said that you would like a rolling video of me rolling the coins, so I'm going to incorporate that in one of my videos. But this is our little cash binder that holds like coins and receipts. If you guys don't know what Fetch Rewards is, it is an app where you can scan your receipts and get points for them, where you can redeem them for gift cards to different restaurants, subscriptions. You can donate to many different organizations. I will leave my referral code here on the screen, and I will also put it down below in the description box. But if you are interested in Fetch Rewards, download it on your phone and then just enter the referral code, and then you will get points and I will also get some points. But let's go ahead and put all of our coins into the coin jar. So I'm just going to dump these in the jar. Alright guys, that is all that I have for you this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you are not new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, please check out my previous video. Feel free to subscribe if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next cash stuffing. Bye bye.